So we've already looked a little bit here at while loops. We've looked at for loops. Why don't we take a look here at the do while loop? Remember, the do while loop evaluates at the end. So that means I am going to enter here into my do while statement irrespective of the truth of a certain value. So we're checking here for repeat equals y. So we're saying that a repeat character way up here is going to be equal to y, or the repeat character is going to be equal to lowercase y. And the only way we get out of this statement is if this while evaluates as false. So again, it's kind of backwards from how the do, or the while rather, statement, I can't read and talk all the time at the same time, the while statement runs. So here you can see I've got my input from the keyboard, and then immediately I come through my loop here. So I'm going to be asked for a score number 1. So let's go 20. A score number 2, that's over here. I'm going to say 30. A score number 3, that's over here. I'm going to say 40. And now it's going to average those out for me. And that's what's happening right here. Then we come here to this line. So I would like to average another set of scores. So would you like to average another set of test scores? And I'm going to say capital Y. So then I enter into my loop again. So this time I've got 40, 50, 60. And my average is 50, so the math there is right, and it's going to ask me, would you like to average another set of test scores? I'll put in a lowercase y. So I'm going to enter more test scores, 70, 80, 90. My average is 80. The math is still good. Would you like to average another set of test scores? I'm as sick of this by now as you guys are. So I put in an N, and then it boots me out. Why did it boot me out? Because right here, when we evaluate this expression, so I have entered a capital N. Is repeat equals, so does that evaluate to capital N? No. So this is false. Or does repeat equal evaluate to capital Y? No, this is false. This whole statement is false. So then we can finally break out of our do while statement. So it's the biggest challenge for a lot of beginning developers to just be okay with that, to just say, okay, this one works on a false for me to break out of the loop, and that's okay. And the other one has to be true for me to evaluate the loop for a while loop. So it's just different loops for different occasions.